Hello my viewers and welcome to watch this Venni040 Growtopia gaming video. I have this presentation of my Growtopia channel and I in this video presentate also my worlds. As you can see, I have here doors and other things that you can see. I have live streams also, but those are not in this channel yet because I have not phone number in this account. But as you can see, I have orbs and other things. You might think why I have laser visors. That's because I want to get that muscle thing on there when I break, for example, farmables. As you can see, I have also that pickaxe, and I have here also some farmables like this height block. So let's break them. I'm gaming with my tablet and this account is very old. This is over 10 years old and I have started this gaming with this account as my first tablet device, and I'm now in Venni050 world and I'm building these Growtopia worlds where those doors are coming. So I plant weather machines and also other things there. Let's subscribe this channel so you can get notifications also. And here is my one world also, Venni040. And as you can see, I have those seeds now, so let's plant them. And I'm building here also new things. In my Growtopia live streams I have gaming Growtopia, and also my viewers can join to my worlds so they can take part to that live streams. I also comment to that live streams, and in this Growtopia video I like to do many things, and this is my Growtopia channel. So let's subscribe this and have like, comment and other things so you can get notifications as I said earlier, and you can comment also in live chat with live streams. I have other gaming channels also. You can check those in front page of this Growtopia channel, and let's having nice to gaming with this Growtopia Venni040. Thank you for watching.